Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this quick tip, we will be sharing with you how to create a cool duotone effect using Photoshop. So we want to start off by duplicating our existing layer. And then we're going to right click and select blending options, and we want to remove the R and the G from the channels options and select OK. Then going to slightly move out our layer to create that initial duotone effect, and then we're going to duplicate the layer again, select OK, right click on blending options, and this time we're going to remove the B and check the R instead and select the OK button, and this time we're just going to move it down instead. And there you go, we created a cool duotone effect within Photoshop in a matter of seconds. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.